Yeah, again, good afternoon. Okay, we will start with this alcohol preparation. Na?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good
Good afternoon.
afternoon, sir.
Okay, we are studying about absolute alcohol, na? Preparation of absolute alcohol and its purification. Okay.
I muted, yeah.
Okay, all these things already we have seen it. Disadvantage of alcohol. Okay, so then in absolute alcohol, just go through this 6 point. Okay, page number 161. Okay, go through 6 point. Okay, so before this fifth point is there. Okay, difference between absolute alcohol and homeopathic alcohol. Okay, so actually there is no thing is like that homeopathic alcohol. Okay, actually dilute alcohol and dispensing alcohols are used as a homeopathic alcohol because dilute alcohol and dispensing alcohol is used for the preparation of homeopathic medicines. Okay, and this absolute alcohol is like 100%. Okay, theoretically 100% and practically it is 99% alcohol, and directly it is not used to prepare homeopathic medicine. Okay, the homeopathic alcohol is of 87% strength and is used to making many homeopathic attenuations. Absolute alcohol theoretically 100%. Okay, practically 95 or 99% is about highest in every attenuation is constant about water for the atmosphere. 95% alcohol may be reduced to homeopathic alcohol by adding 7% of 95% alcohol by 1% of purified water. Okay. Remember this directly, this absolute alcohol is not used to prepare homeopathic medicine. Okay. What homeopathic medicines we are taking, okay, like we consume that is made by that dilute alcohol or dispensing alcohol. Okay, that's why it is called as a homeopathic alcohol. But practically there is nothing like homeopathic alcohol. Okay, there is only dilute alcohol and dispensing alcohol. Okay, that is used directly for the homeopathic medicine, and it is nearby 80%. Okay, 80% alcohol and 20% is distilled water or plain okay, or water. Okay, next part is the purity test. Okay, how will you know about the absolute alcohol? Okay, 6 point purity test of absolute alcohol. Remember this because sometimes this is asked. Okay, and I think you know about this as per your 11th 12th knowledge. As regards the trace of water, okay, 0.3%, 10 ml of sample of alcohol is taken in a test tube and vigorously shaken with 0.5 gram of anhydrous copper sulfate. Okay, anhydrous copper sulfate comes in the contact with water. If their water is there, okay, it will turn into blue. Okay, this water is present in the sample. Okay, and anhydrous copper sulfate, if it will come in the contact with water, it will turn into blue. Okay, so in absolute alcohol, if any amount of water is there, okay, it will turn into blue. That is the test for the impurity of the absolute alcohol. That is 100% alcohol. Okay, uses, it is used in steps process for the purification of sugar of milk. Already we have seen in absolute alcohol is used in steps process. Okay, for the purification of this sugar of milk. Okay, for the we have seen this purification process. Okay, next is the strong alcohol. Okay, so we have studied about absolute alcohol. Now we have strong alcohol. Okay, what is the percentage? Mainly changes in the percentage. Okay, alcohol. Okay, 40's definition in homeopathy, when word alcohol is only used is means for strong alcohol. Okay, means when we are using the general term of alcohol, that is for the strong alcohol. Okay. This is obtained after second distillation and its strength become approximately 95% by volume. Okay, it is not as much pure as absolute alcohol, but it is nearer to that. Okay, preparation, it is prepared by mixing 94.9% by volume of pure ethyl alcohol and 5.1% by volume of purified water. Okay, just you will mix water with absolute alcohol and it will be strong alcohol. Okay, nearby 5%. Okay. What will be the properties? Specific gravity is little more. Okay, just see specific gravities are increasing. Okay, before specific gravity was in absolute alcohol, it was less. Okay, 792, 0.792. Okay, but in case of strong alcohol, 0.816. Okay, so like that. It is not as pure as the absolute alcohol. Strong alcohol is approximately 5% of alcohol is there. Okay. Next is some tests are there, they are related with that also. Refractive index is given, okay, of this strong alcohol. Then after that, colorless, transparent, mobile bottle. Okay, mobile, volatile liquid with pleasant aroma and burning taste. Already same thing. It neutral to all the indicators when pure. Okay, so all the alcohols are approximately neutral. Okay, to all type of litmus paper. Okay, it is miscible with the, if they are pure. Okay, it is miscible with the purified water. Okay, and chloroform is formed. Okay, then iodoform test is done with this. Okay. Normally, iodoform test is done for what purpose? Do you know? Then next is the uses. Yeah, okay. Then next is the uses. It is useful for the preparation of mother tinctures from vegetable and animal substances. Okay, so for preparation of mother tincture, also we use the strong alcohol. Okay, then it is also used for the mother solutions. Okay, preparation mother tincture, mother solution you will understand later on. But just know this is used. Okay, alcohol is used. Okay. Strong alcohol. Then storage, it should be kept in cool and dark places. Already you know. Okay, then dilute alcohol. Okay, dilute alcohol again. There is a little less concentrated. Okay, there is more quantity of water will be there. That's why specific gravity will again increase. Okay, difference authorities differs as a regard to specific function of dilute alcohol as per HPI. Okay, dilute alcohol is you have to make dilute alcohol by 695 ml of strong alcohol in the 1000 ml of purified water. Okay, so like that you can make. Okay, this preparation process we will do practical also. Okay, so it is again dilute then the strong absolute alcohol and strong alcohol. Okay, to remember this part. Okay, again we will do this practical. We will do as per American homeopathic pharmacopoeia. Some little difference is there. Okay, there is no need to know about the American homeopathic pharmacopoeia. British homeopathic pharmacopoeia, again some nearby 60% is there. Okay, 60 to 70%, but little changes are there in different pharmacopoeia. Okay, so we have to just follow the HPI. Different pharmacopoeias it is given. Okay, that is not of use. Okay, then when alcohol is mixed with purified water, okay, there is rise of temperature and shrinkage of volume. Okay, that already we know. Okay, shrinkage of volume happens. Okay, then after this we have dilute alcohol. We have dispensing alcohol. What is the use of dilute alcohol? For the preparation of potencies. Okay, mother tinctures under decimal scale for cleaning of the utensils. Okay, uses remember. Okay, because uses are little specific. Okay, like then next is the dispensing alcohol. Okay, we have studied about the absolute alcohol, strong alcohol, dilute alcohol. Now we are studying about the dispensing alcohol. Okay, Dispensing alcohol is again, okay, official alcohol definition. It contains 88% by volume, 83% by weight of ethyl alcohol, okay. 12% is of purified water, okay. Preparation process is there, okay. Specific gravities are there, okay. Again, specific gravity is little more, okay. Then again, like actually 12.75 part by volume of strong alcohol, okay. That is the specific gravity is at 0.816 is there, okay. Next part is the uses, okay. It is mostly useful in potentizing the drug from their mother tinctures, okay. It is more readily absorbed by the globule sugar of milk, okay. So remember this dilute alcohol, okay. Dilute alcohol or this dispensing alcohol, okay. The dispensing alcohol is very much important for the, as name suggests, dispense means you are giving medicines to your patient, okay. The dispensing alcohol is useful for the medication of the globules and medication of the sugar of milk, okay. So what we get in like our medicines, most of them are dispensing alcohol. Okay, we are not preparing our medicine with the dilute alcohol. Okay, then rectified spirit is there. We have we know about rectified spirit when distillation process is there. Okay, we directly get the rectified spirit, but after that purification, we get the absolute alcohol. Okay, the rectified spirit is the direct product of the distillation plant of the alcohol. Okay. So just you know this is the direct, okay, and different, okay, there is optimum pressure is there, okay, then absolute pressure is there, okay, so all these things are there, not so much useful, this rectified spirit. Directly it is not used in the preparation of homeopathic medicine, okay. Over OP is the overproof and UP is the underproof, okay. Underproof alcohols are there, so not so much useful, okay. But remember, use of this absolute alcohol not directly useful. Strong alcohol not directly useful. Dispensing alcohol and dilute alcohol are directly useful in homeopathic medicine. Okay, then rectified spirit is the byproduct of distillation, and it is also not so much useful. Okay, remember it. Then solvent ether is there. Okay, that is again chemical formula is given. Okay, this is also useful in the homeopathic medicines. Solvent ether, okay, properties, it is colorless, okay, sweeter in smell, okay. Ester means you already know ether or ester, they are sweeter or fruity smell is there, okay. Already you remember this, okay. Then its use, okay. Again we will see the uses. Okay, use part is important, okay. Like it is useful only when the alcohol is varying properties with water cannot extract the drug substances from plant. Okay, if like we are extracting any drug material from plant, but we are not able to extract from the by the alcohol, then we can use this. Okay. Next is the it is good solvent for many organic compounds. Okay, like resins, gums, paints, oils. Okay, cellulose and esters. Okay, so this is that is the use of this esters. Okay, then next is the glycerin. Okay, glycerin already you know. Okay, chemical formula, everything you have studied at 12th level. Okay, what is the formula of glycerin? Okay, introduction. Okay, all these things. Preparation already you know. Okay, how glycerol is prepared. Synthetic process formula also you know, glycerins. Okay, but use homeopathic use of the glycerin. Okay, how it is useful or how it came in homeopathy. Okay, glycerin, that is the important. Okay, then okay, as a byproduct from spent soap lies also it is made. Okay, then next part is well, this is the way of preparation of crude glycerol from spent lye. Okay, this preparation process is there. Okay, at least short note comes from what is glycerin. Okay, you can write preparation properties, all the things. Okay, so like it is colorless, tasteless, syrup liquid. Okay, so then it is liquid vehicle. Remember, okay, don't confuse with the semi-solid vehicle. Okay, sometimes at exam time you just get confused. Okay, so don't confuse with this. It is a liquid vehicle. Okay, then chemical formulas are there. Okay, then purity for the glycerin. Okay, different tests are there, not so much useful as our syllabus. Okay, but then next part is use of the glycerin. Okay, glycerin used in the preparation of ointment. Okay, liniment. Okay.
Nampi.
Then Okay, it is used as an antiseptic, okay, emulant and emulant, okay. Then these are used in the ulcers, okay. Like sometimes mouth ulcer, we use glycerin directly, okay. Okay, so like that. Sometimes it is used for the smoothing of skin also, okay. And it is a good preservative for the snake venoms also. Okay, so these are the uses of glycerin, okay.
Mahendra, chai lana bhai.
Then next is the simple syrups. Okay, simple. The next parts are not so much important. Okay, simple syrup and all these things. Okay, you can directly go through this. Okay, these simple syrups and all these things you can directly go. Okay, you just see. But glycerin is important. Okay, go through it. Short notes. Okay, then the storage is there. Different types of liquid vehicles. Storage is there. Okay. Then sesame oil is there. Okay, that is also not so much useful. Okay, not needed. Charmongra oil is there. Okay, remember at least 5 these liquid vehicles. Okay, Charmongra oil is used. Okay, that is also used in homeopathy. Okay, then we have, okay, a lot of things are given, but no need to remember everything. Okay, just as per question paper you can go, because it is not possible to remember everything. Okay. So, okay, then next we will see the semi-solid vehicles. Okay, but before that, just one little storage. Okay, then rosemary oils are there. Okay, then their properties. Okay, colorless, all these things. Okay, little you can see. Okay, but not I just previously I have seen question papers. So there it was like I have not seen anything in that question papers related with this other liquid vehicles, but about alcohol, water, okay, glycerin, I have seen many times. Okay. So next part is the semi-solid vehicles. Okay, again, this is the next part, third part of this. Okay, solid vehicle, liquid vehicle, and this is the semi-solid vehicle. Vaseline, soft paraffin. Remember it. Okay, soft paraffin. Okay, already know you you know about the soft paraffin. Okay, semi-solid mixture of hydrocarbons. Okay, then the different varieties are there. Like white soft paraffin is there. Okay, then yellow soft paraffin is there. Okay, their properties are given. Okay, uses. Okay, it is useful in the preparation of emulsions, fine of ointment. Okay, in the when we will study about the ointment, you will directly understand how it is useful. Okay, so like useful, sometimes use is not necessary to remember now only. Okay, when we will complete all the chapters. Okay, it will be easy for you and you can understand easily the use of different vehicles at different places. Yellow soft paraffins are there. Okay. Then we have beeswax is there. Okay, a lot of things are given. Okay, but no need to like remember everything. Okay, the preparation of everything. Linoline is there. Okay, anhydrous linoline. Okay, so like these are normally prepared from sheep. Okay, linoline. All these things come in competitive exam. Okay, not in subjective exam. Sometimes comes short note. What is linoline? Okay, so just you can write about the properties or uses of linoline.
अरे देवी क्लास चालू करके क्यों सो गो?
And how it will be prepared. Okay, so all these things you can write. Okay, then next part is properties. A pale yellow tenacious substance is there. Okay, so just in linoleum you can remember these. Then uses are there. Okay, it is used in within the skin. It is exactly used in as an ointment. Okay, most of the semi-solid vehicles are used for the preparation of ointment. Remember it. Okay, spermacety, it comes as a short note. Remember it. Okay, short note. Its sources are very like peculiar. Okay, sperm whale. Okay, sperm whale. Okay, it is a waxy substances obtained from the head of the sperm whale. Okay, remember this. Many times it is asked in competitive exams. Okay, what is the content is there? Preparation is there. Okay, then properties are there. Okay, these are white in color. Okay, somewhat translucent. Translucent means it is like a not totally permeable, but it can be seen. Okay, a little you can see. Uses. Okay, it is used as a fatty substances and it is used for the ointment. Then prepared lard is there. Okay, then we have many other things like isin glasses are there. Soft paraffins are there. Okay, then starch is there. Okay, So all these things are semi-solid vehicles. Okay, so remember these names. Okay, semi-solid vehicle is Vaseline, soft paraffin, paraffin. Okay, that will be white paraffin and yellow paraffin. Then we have many others. Okay, like we have spermaceti. Okay, we have isinglass. Okay, then all these waxes are there. Okay, this is used. Okay. So this much is about the vehicle chapter. Okay, so mostly we have to know about the properties of vehicle. What is the vehicle? What are the different types of vehicle used in homeopathic pharmacy? Okay, most important is the globule part. Okay, and the sugar of milk. Then alcohol part. Different type of alcohol is important. Okay, then in semi-solid we have like alcohols are there. Okay, like. Semi-solid vehicle we have like Vaseline is there. Okay, then we have these waxes are there, we have spermaceti are there. Okay, so all these things are there. Okay, so go through it. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, and what I told, okay, that are important for the short note also. Okay, and at least minimum 5 example of each you need to remember. Okay, so this is the total things related with the this vehicle chapter. Okay, anything, any confusion you can ask. Okay, like any type of doubt. Okay, you have any type of silly questions also, like any confusion related with semi-solid vehicles. Okay, you can ask. Okay, to go through it and ask me any type thing related with the this vehicle. Okay, you have book, you just turn the pages and see if you have any query. Okay, silly queries also you can ask. Okay, it is not like if anything you are feeling, okay, any doubt you have related with this vehicle, because these are the main thing. Okay, a vehicle you will not understand, you cannot even explain to your patient also. Okay, like these are not the medicine, just these are the way of transmission of medicine. Okay, anything. Okay, rest of the parts is just you need to remember. Okay, like preparation process and examples you need to remember, but any type of doubt you can ask. anything you have to ask, कुछ पूछना है?
Sir, for the preparation of herbarium, can we use those plants from the Materia Medica?
Plants from Materia Medica?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Why you cannot use? You can use, no, like, but you have to identify well. Okay, because this Materia Medica book, whatever things are in Materia Medica, they are already in HPI. Okay, so no, there is no confusion. Okay, you can use boric Materia Medica, you can use other Materia Medica. Okay, you can ask your homeopathic Materia Medica teachers. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Anything else in this chapter? Okay, go through this chapter. This is like a scoring chapter. Okay, an important chapter. Okay, every year you just when we will see old question papers, you will find from this chapter you will get the questions. Okay, so that is important. Okay. Okay, so just now we will see one more next chapter. Okay, go through next chapter. Just we will start. Okay, outline. Okay. Okay, so we have completed chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5, chapter 6, and chapter 11. Okay, rest many chapters also we have done. Okay, but now what we have to start. Okay, now we have to know a little about the different scales. Okay. Just we will discuss one small thing, okay? Pharmaceutical instruments. Already we have seen, okay? Just I will try to show some photos. I think till I will put the slide, time will be over. Just fast we will go, okay? Okay, now slide is visible. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Just
sir.
okay, fast only we will go. Okay, this already we have discussed. Okay, but this chapter for some pharmaceutical instruments are there. Okay. Okay, these motor and vessels are there. Different things. Just I want to show some only pictures. Already we have seen this motor and vessel already. You know. Okay. Then porcelain dish is there. Okay. Chopping boards are there. Different. This is one actually percolator is there. Okay, this we have already in our lab. This is the percolator. Okay, presses are there. Okay, sieves are there. Okay, sieves. I think I have not shown at that time. Okay, so this is the sieves. Okay, already you have no. Okay, the different types of sieves are there. Okay, there may be silk, there may be hair, there may be stainless steel. Okay, then balances are there. Okay, different type of balance is there. Okay, already we have discussed, but just already you know this measuring cylinder. Okay, already you know this graduated flask or cylinder. Okay, it is inverted conical. You can tell. Okay, from above it is like little wide and lower down is little narrow. Okay, then okay, this is the funnel already you know. Okay, then flask already you know. Okay, then we have dropper bottles are there already you know. Okay, beaker is there already you know. Okay, then spatula is there. Okay, spatula already you know. Okay, you have seen in our laboratory this type of spatula. Okay. Crucible is there. Okay, small crucible is different from this mortar and pestle. Na? This is little thin and smaller in size. Okay. Then evaporating dish is there. Okay, the crucible and evaporating dishes are also served different. Okay, sometimes in spotting we write instead of evaporating dish we write this crucible, or sometimes instead of crucible we write evaporating dish. Okay, both are different. We'll understand later on in laboratory lab. Okay, then this is the distillation plant. Okay, then flask is there. A condenser is there. Okay, condenser, so you already know ki water is just go from cold water is used for the condensation of vapors. Okay, then desiccator is there. Okay, this is desiccator. You have already seen in our laboratory. Okay, desiccator. So remember this desiccator. Okay, Then picnometer is there. Okay, I will show you picnometer later on also when we will resume normal classes. Okay. Then this is alcoholic thermometer. Okay, we talked about alcoholometer. Okay, not thermometer, alcoholometer. Okay, already we have. I will show you. Okay, then cleansing of utensils. Okay, hydrochloric acids, mortar and pestle. How will you cleaning? All these things are there. Okay. You have started making your practical notebook? Started or not?
Not yet, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
it's okay.
Sir,
You can.
Sir, some of these instruments does not have cleansing on it. So should we write the generalized cleansing or
You just write generalized cleaning, or there is even you will not write any cleaning process, it will be okay. Okay. If nothing is given. Normally questions come like write any 10 instruments, okay, used in homeopathic pharmacy with their cleaning. Okay. So what happens? Suppose only in book 5 or 6 instruments cleaning process is given. Okay. The rest you have to use just your common sense and generalized process. Okay. Like tap water is everywhere, you can use tap water. Okay. Like tap water is not like it cannot be used anywhere. Okay.
Yes,
so
sir.
like that. Okay. But where you cannot use chemicals, where you cannot use like hot water, what you cannot, okay, just that things you have to remember. Okay. What are the exceptional things that you need to remember? Okay. Otherwise the rest
Okay,
of
sir.
thing is okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, you don't have any doubt. I think only 3-4 minutes are remaining. That's why I'm just asking. Okay, because I cannot now start any new chapter. No? You don't have any doubt, anything old. Who joined it late, they have started studying old chapters. Okay, just listen. Okay, who have started late? Now, chapter 1 is completed. Chapter 2 is completed. Chapter 3 is completed. Chapter 4 is completed. Chapter 5, chapter 6 is completed. Okay, till then chapter 11 is completed. Okay, then after that we have completed chapter number 23. Okay, then 24 we have completed. Okay, then chapter number 41 we have completed. Okay, so we just go through these chapters. If you have any doubt, okay, we can discuss later on. Okay, and any in between also you can ask if you have any doubt. Okay, but just go through. You have to cope up with the classes. Okay, means whatever is already covered, you all have to cope up. Okay, and most probably everything will be normal. Okay. I just sent you in WhatsApp that probable time will be like June. You can get like your terminal.